As Lincoln says, it's the electric cord that links us over the generations. We are the same America that we've always been. Now, why does this story matter? Well, national stories are important. Not every nation has one in the same way that we do, but we need one more than other countries, maybe. So we use this idea of an American identity that's rooted in values, not in blood, not in geography, to bring us together, to inspire us to make sacrifices in the name of our shared ideals. So it's important to have an agreed upon understanding of who we are, of what our values are, of who are the heroes and villains of our story, and what we need to do to be good Americans. And this standard story worked, at least for some people, at least for a while. But it's not working anymore. And the main reason it's not working is that it's not very accurate. So some people have been challenging it, demanding that it be told more accurately. But as it gets more accurate, it gets less inspiring. And this is the conflict that we're seeing play out across the country now with the so-called anti-critical race theory bills. This is why public schools are banning the discussion of certain topics, why they're banning certain books, banning the 1619 Project, for instance. They're trying to prop up the standard story.